Welcome back. This is my makeup look today. Keep watching if you want to see how I got this look. And of course, you can always check the description box below the video for a list of all the products I used on my face today. So for my primer today, I'm using this one again. I'm kind of trying to use it up. I'm almost at the end. It's by Skin Supplement or whatever it's called. Let me make my chair go up a little bit more. There we go. So for my foundation, I'm going to use this one. It's by Beige Cosmetics. It's their liquid foundation, the Naturally Flawless liquid foundation. I have the shade 209 Ivory Beige. When I'm talking, I put inflection on like the wrong words, I've noticed a lot. Maybe it's a little bit too tan, potentially, but let's just see. I am a little bit sunburnt on like my chest, my like upper shoulders, so it might, you know, blend in better than it usually would. For my concealer, I'm using this one by Physicians Formula. It's the Butter Glow Concealer. Swipe underneath the eyes, and then I'm going to blend it up onto my eyelids. Usually I use the RCMA powder to set my face, but I'm trying this one today. This is by e.l.f. It's the Halo Glow setting powder. I've never tried this, but I've tried the other Halo Glow products by e.l.f., at least most of them, and I really like them a lot. I think they're very, very good. I'm going to dump some of this just out into the lid. It's like translucent mostly, but it's got a little bit of like a light tint to it. It's not fully clear. Dab my brush in this, and I'm just going to start putting this on my eyes, and then just put a light like dusting, you know, over the rest of my face. And this is what it looks like over my foundation. I like it a lot. I think it looks really nice. I'm interested to see how it wears. This is an Ace Beauty palette. It's called Scarlett Dusk. It looks like this. It's got these really gorgeous, some purples, some pinks, some oranges. I'm starting with the shade Lotus for just like a crease shade, just this kind of a light purple, and I'm blending it just in my crease, like kind of above it, just all along. I'm taking the shade Crimson on this flat brush, and I'm pressing it into my inner corner, and then I'm going back to that crease brush and just blending out the edges and dragging it along my lower lash line, and then on the top I'm blending it just up into my crease. And I'm just blending out the edges up until I've got it looking kind of like this, where it's a little bit softened, but it's still bright in that inner corner there. I'm going to use that same bright shade as my blush. Little bit on my brush here. Tap it off on the back of my hand. You can see it right there. And then just put it on my face. And I'm going to do that just a few times till I've got a little bit of something like, you know, noticeable, but not the same as my eyes. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this shade here. It's like a peachy eyeshadow. It's called Aruba. I'm going to go ahead and add me some setting spray. This is by Formula Z Cosmetics. I really love the mister on this one. It's like a really fine mist. I went ahead and did my brows, and I also added a little bit of mascara. I'm going to use some false lashes in a few minutes, but first I'm going to take this liquid liner, this is by KVD, and draw a little tight line along my top lashes so the falsies will blend into them. I used to do this off camera because it's kind of tricky to film. These are the lashes. I'm waiting on this one to dry. They're the Freckles Style by Kiss. While I'm waiting on that to dry, since I'm in a rush, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. This is by Cab Cosmetics. The shade is Charming. This is a lip liner, and then I'm going to go over top of it with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I'm using this one because it's a fall like color called Pumpkin Spice, but it's orange and it kind of matches the eyeshadow, so that's why I'm doing this one. Okay, and here's the finished look. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you want to see more content from me, I post twice a week. I've been slacking a little bit lately here, but I'm trying to get back into my schedule, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!